Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to invoice in AM or PM. The AM/PM billing feature improves billing efficiency, reducing the likelihood of claim rejections and saving time for your practice. AM/PM is used when a patient needs to be billed for treatments or procedures multiple times on the same day, which is typically used by physiotherapists. In this video, we will start on a debtor screen. Click on a search field to search for a desired debtor for which we will do the invoice. With the debtor information now entered, click on a debtor on the debtor list. The debtor sidebar will open. Click on the invoice button. The invoice screen will open. For more information regarding the invoice screen, please refer to the Invoice Screen user manual linked in this video's description. Please note that the setting to utilize AM/PM billing needs to be enabled within the GoodX desktop app under the Supervisor module. For more information regarding this, please refer to the Debtor Transactions user manual linked in this video's description. With the setting enabled, the AM/PM feature will appear within the invoice details section of the invoice screen. Click on a time field to enter the time the patient was seen for the consultation in an hour-minute format for the procedure. Click on a copy this time to all invoice lines to duplicate the time to all the lines that are billed on the invoice. The start time and end time will display every invoice when a procedure is billed. You are able to change the start and end times of each billed item to when a treatment or procedure took place or the time when the item billed was used. Post, switch and save the invoice as any other invoice. Upon opening the statement, you will see that the AM and PM timestamps will appear on a statement under the description section.